stoplight may be the end of this car. Yes, all right, let's go. We are on the open road, baby. Of freedom in this engine. Oh yes. Oh yeah. You can see some smoke coming out of the hood. I don't know what that is, but steering that is difficult. All right, there's my workplace. All right, put her there. Look at this contraption of a seatbelt. I don't even know how to work this. Oh God. Okay, open up the door. Don't hit the exhaust, that'll burn you. Okay. I know I have a wide angle, so it looks even smaller than usual, but this car is so tiny. And you know, me being 6'5", it's not the most comfortable thing in the world. Yes, 6'5", I think I said. Yep. All right, let's see what's going on in this hood. All right, and you got to be careful because it'll scratch the front if you're not careful with it. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, it's a carbureted engine, so you are going to expect a little bit of smoke. It's a little bit of oil burning off. My God, it's burning my eyes right now. But this engine really is beautiful. 7 liters, again, like I said, actually it's a GM crate motor, so a bit odd for considering what this car is, but game's the game, innit? You're not going to complain. It's a 7 liter. Just enjoy it. All right, let's go to work.
Yeah, if I catch you in that drop top, you gon' get your top drop. It's backdoor season, you ain't even hear that knock knock. Walk fizzle in the 60-40 like some pop rocks. Send them 60, then we send them 40, left the block hot. On the dark web, punching like I'm Oscar De La Hoya. Got my bitch at the brib, throwing lobster in the boil. Better know what seed you plant before you drop it in the soil. Low as eyes, foreign whip it, take exotic oil.